So looking at the sequencing and how we move through this. Step one, audit the inventory. Audit every tool, every license, and every workflow. List everything you're using and look for duplications. Most builders will find that 20 to 30% of their IT spend or technology spend is on things they either forgot they had or aren't using effectively. Step two, we want to rationalize. As we have that list, go through it. It's the Marie Kondo effect, right? Does this bring me joy? But does this bring me value? Or do we have it because I like the fact that it rounded the corners for me or that it color matched slides for me versus we already have PowerPoint, but I liked Canva because it just made it look a little prettier. Well, we need to rationalize what is the purpose of each of these licenses. So that way, even as we change, we know the strategic reason behind each of the key platforms we have. And if there's no strategic reason behind it, then it makes it very easy to eliminate and go, this doesn't serve purpose to our organization and it doesn't provide value. Then it becomes a question of how do we integrate these and how do we integrate them effectively? It's less about we want to export the data from this system and load it into the next. We want to remove the human intervention. How do we make sure that if one system has a change in data, that it automatically flows through to the next one and the next one and the next one? Once they're integrated, governance and cybersecurity is still incredibly important. We want to make sure that we have ownership of our data and that we understand where our data is going and who has access to it. It is all about the governance layer. We want to make sure we can see, we can audit. If somebody deletes a home, well, who deleted that home? What was the reason? When was it done? So that we can follow up and identify whether it was a failed process, whether there was a data leak. As we're looking at land deals, a lot of that is sensitive information, and it's how do we protect that? How do we make sure that we are keeping sensitive information secured? Once we have all of that done, that is when you want to start looking at augmentation and how do we multiply our strategic platform to scale with us as a growing business. Now that we know that only the correct people have access to the data they need and all of our data is integrated, then when you load AI onto it, you're not risking your business to expose sensitive information of, hey, AI, I need a list of all the employee social security numbers so that I can provide insurance. We would not want that to be surfaced, but far too often we're seeing builders jump straight into AI and try and solve those problems after the fact. They're hearing so much about AI. I want to jump in AI. Let's just get the licenses and we'll figure out how it creates value. Well, it can create more risk and more cost to a business than spending the time to get that strategic implementation done, then leveraging AI to augment that.